Okey, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan selamat sejahtera. So we will continue discuss the next question. So determine the most plausible structure for this compound. Alright, so as we done previously, before we start determine the most possible structure, we need to draw a Lewis structure first. Alright, so I will repeat the procedure. Determine the total number of valence electron. Since it is negative, we need to add another one more electron. The total is 16. So nitrogen will become the central atom. So no, carbon. Because carbon come from group 14, right? Okay, carbon will become the central atom. So we already used 4 electron and we have another 12 electron extra. And these 12 electron we will distribute to the terminal atom. So now we already use all the electron, but our central atom is not octet. So how to make it octet? So one of the electron atau the atom at the terminal atom will donate a pair of electron or 2 pairs of electron to each. So there are few possibilities. So maybe the first one is maybe the first one is carbon, oxygen, nitrogen. Alright, so these pairs of electron we donated here, and another pair of electron will donated here. This is the first possibility. The second possibilities maybe maybe oxygen will donate 2 electron. So it will become like this. Or the third possibilities is NCO ni initially, sekarang ni N yang derma. Okay, so we have 3 possible and we can write as structure A, structure B, structure C. Right. So after we propose the molecular Lewis structure, we need to calculate the formal charge. So let's say for the first one, we have 3 atom. Formal charge for carbon, which is 4 minus, there is no lone pair around carbon, minus half of 8, become 4, which is 0. Okay, so the second one is formal charge for oxygen, 6 minus, there are 4 valence electron around oxygen with 4 lone pair, minus half of 4. Oh my god, because it is a negative kan, so we have to put a negative sign outside. Saya lupa. Okay, right, so kita patah balik. Alright, and the formal charge for nitrogen, 5 minus 4 lone pair around nitrogen, minus half of 2, 4. 5 tolak 4 sama dengan negatif 1. So kita letakkan nilai. This is negative 1, this is 0, this is 0. Okay, so this is for the first one. For structure B, what about the formal charge for structure B? Formal charge for carbon, 4 minus 0, there is no lone pair around carbon, minus half of it formal charge oxygen, 6 minus 2 minus half of 6, 6 tolak ni sama dengan positif 1 maksud saya. And the formal charge for nitrogen, 5 minus 6 minus half of 2. Lima tolak 6 negatif 1 tolak negatif 1 negatif 2. Betul ke ni? So kita letakkan nilai dia. The nitrogen is negative 2. This is 0. This is positive 1. Okay. Alright. So saya kena tarik ke tepi sikit. And what about this one? The third structure. Kita ada formal charge for carbon, 4 minus 0 minus half from 8 become 0. The formal charge is for oxygen dulu, 6 minus 6 minus half from 2. 6 tolak 6 kosong, negatif 1. Formal charge for nitrogen, 5 tolak 2 tolak setengah darab 246 sama dengan kosong. Okay, now kita letak nilai. Karbon kosong, oksigen negatif 1, nitrogen kosong. Okay, now let's look at these 3 example. Okay, if we look at the compound, we can see that, okay, saya zoom kat sini kita dah ada nilai dia kan. Okay, untuk yang pertama, okay, structure yang tak boleh digunakan, yang kita tak boleh ambil adalah yang B, sebab nilai negatif 2 ni agak tinggi, so kita tak akan ambil dia. So antara structure A dengan C, okay, kita tengok karbon dua-duanya kosong. Yang A N negatif 1, yang C karbon yang negatif 1. Antara karbon yang C adalah oksigen negatif 1. Antara nitrogen dengan oksigen, siapa lebih elektronegatif? N dengan O, siapa lebih elektronegatif? Oksigen. Sebab kita kata when we go across the period, the electronegativity increase. So siapa yang lebih layak mendapat charge negatif? Oksigen. So jawapan kita adalah, okay, kita boleh tulis structure C is most plausible because of what? Oxygen is more electronegative than nitrogen. So kalau dia lebih elektronegatif, kenapa? Oxygen has a negative formal charge. Dia lebih sesuai untuk dapat negative formal charge.